So welcome back to the Magic Academy. Today we're doing another coffee video. This is another coffee unboxing. This is my replacement for the item, which was a manual coffee press for K-Cups that had some little cracks in one of the parts. So since it was cracked, I got a refund and I have purchased something different that is also a manual K-Cup press. So I thought it would be great to show it so you guys can see the difference between the two items. And I'll link that video, of course, in one of the cards above. So just click the link above up there and you'll be able to see that unboxing. But right now we're going to do this one. I did get some other items in there as well. So let's go ahead and open it up. Whoops. There we go. I'm awkward at opening these bigger boxes. Sorry. Okay, there we go. Okay, so the tape is cut. Let's get into this here. Okay, so here's some MyJo coffee press. This is what it looks like. I will have to resituate the camera and lights in a second, but for now, as you can see, you have your own cup that this sets on top of, okay? This whole piece sets on top of, and you basically brew a K-Cup right on top of your cup by boiling the water, pouring it in here. Actually, this is microwave safe, just not dishwasher safe, it says. But you can put this in the microwave, heat it up, and then use twist these two parts together and brew it by pressing the plunger at the top, and you make yourself a nice K-Cup. Let's go ahead and open it. And what's cool about this feature, about this cup, there we go. Okay, so there's a little booklet, and here's the K-Cup. Now, it comes with some extra goodies, but I want to go ahead and show this to you really quick. Let me take a look at the camera and see if I need to get you close up. Okay, so here is the Presto MyJo K-Cup, manual K-Cup coffee maker, and it has its name on the front there. It is actually really well made. I'm very pleased with that. Something else that's really cool is you don't just get one size that you can brew with this. You can actually brew a 6 ounce, an 8 ounce, or a 10 ounce, which is just like the Keruig, which gives you those 3 cup sizes. So with this, you get the 3 cup sizes the same as the Keruig. You just put in to the water line what you want to do. Okay, so that's cool. So, and you can even go above that if you would like, just a little bit. So you could probably do all the way up to a 12. I think 14 would be chancing it, but I'm sure you could get up to a 12 right there in your K-Cup. So you can do that with this, just like you can with your Keurig. It has all 3 cup sizes. And that's a convenience that a lot of these manual K-Cup coffee makers don't have. So that's really neat. Wanted to show that to you. Okay, let me take it apart here before we put it back together, and then I'll show you everything that it comes with. Okay, so we'll do it in this order, like that. Okay, so here's the directions on the box. As you can see, it shows that the cup part right here is microwave safe. So you could take this Presto MyJo coffee maker cup and microwave your water right there. These are not dishwasher safe though. It does not recommend to put it in the dishwasher, just to let you know. But very convenient that it is microwave safe. And then you put your K-Cup in the base area right here, right in here. See, it's got a little needle in there. Can you see that? Okay. And then you assemble it together over a cup and you go ahead and brew your coffee. So that's what we're going to be doing. Also, it comes with a bonus. You get the refillable K-Cup. However, you guys, it is a unique size to this MyJo coffee maker. So if you want more, they're $3.99 a piece. You do have to go to presto.com and order them. So I'll leave a link for that in the description below as well. Okay, so here's the refillable cup. As you can see, they're quite different than a regular K-Cup. This is a lot larger on the top, and they're just a lot different. So this is made specifically for the Presto MyJo K-Cup coffee maker, okay? So you have to get that if you're going to use that, or just use your K-Cups. So you can do both. It's up to you, okay? That fits in the base right here. Boom. Just fits right in there. And this screws right on top. Then your plunger has this very top piece right here that goes on top of the plunger. And you just press it in and make sure it's all in there. You put that on top. And then you go ahead when your water's in there and press it down. See? Sounds like Darth Vader. But you can make your K-Cup with that. Awesome. Okay, let me wash it and we'll give it a try. Now, let's go ahead and pick a K-Cup. We're going to go ahead and do the Keruig Reindeer Blend. And we're going to put it right, oops, we got the other K-Cup in there, but we're going to go ahead and put that in. It says, so basically you take your K-Cup and this base area, you just put it in there and press down, okay, until it's been punctured at the bottom. And then you go ahead and twist the cup base on top. If it's already got water in there, you want to be a little bit more careful, but I'm going to pour hot water into it instead of putting this in the microwave. Okay, so there we go. Then you take the cup you're going to brew with and you set it on top. Okay, just like that. Let me see if there's room you'll be able to see me use it. Let me pull the camera back a little. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fill mine to the 8-ounce level. And that's 8 ounces right there. Then I'm going to put the lid on top, get it into place, and then we just go ahead and press it down. I hope you guys can see it brewing. It's done. All right, so, and there it is. Okay, so there it is. Where's me a spoon? Okay, and I'll show you. It's gone ahead and made a really nice cup of coffee. Very nice. Okay, let me go ahead and put some sugar. Let me taste it like this first. Hold on. It's perfectly wonderful. That is a great K-Cup coffee. Awesome. Okay. Now we're going to do some sugar. And some creamer. Very good, you guys. Very good. Okay, so I would say this is definitely a thumbs up. Very easy and convenient. The last one that I showed you guys was the Gourmia manual K-press coffee machine or coffee maker, and the problem with it was that it was in comparison to this one, the differences that make it negative is that it was huge. Here, I've got it right here. It's huge, and this is the press up here. So basically it's not portable, really. I mean, it is kind of, you can pick, it's lightweight, so you can take it with you, but it's very bulky compared to the MyJo. As you can see, they're definite. It's about half the size, literally. So the Gourmia was nice, and it works just fine. It's just that it is kind of bulky. This is something you can put in a little lunch sack and take it with you to work. Take it with you to school, take it with you wherever you need to go. If you're going to the hospital to visit somebody, you can take it with you that way. And again, it has its own little MyJo My Cup refillable filter here, so you can have whatever kind of coffee you want with this, just like you can with a Keurig. And this one has 6, 8, and 10 ounce options, just like your Keurig. So basically, it's like they've taken the Keurig and put it into a portable size that you guys can take with you wherever you go. It makes it very easy. You do have to press down on the plunger more than once, but big deal. Really big deal, especially since this area, the cup itself, is microwavable. You can put it in the microwave. So, I mean, how convenient is this little thing? I will put a link to this, the Presto Shop at Amazon, in the description below, and the other one as well, for your convenience. But yeah, I really like it. I just want to say that I'm happy I bought 3 of them, because I definitely want to keep one for myself, and I'm really excited about giving them as gifts as well, because now, and the price, get ready for this, you guys, the price is under $14. It's like $13.95, $13.25, something like that. So for under, and free shipping and handling for Prime members. So I mean, think about that. For the price, you can have all the convenience of your Keurig to go. You know, for people that are roommates, that have roommates that are in college, or, you know, you just want to keep your stuff separate from your boyfriend, or, you know your daughter does, or, you know, your son wants to keep his stuff separate from his girlfriend, whatever. He just wants his own little thing, his own little area. And you don't trust maybe their company coming in and playing with your machine. This is the better option, because, you know, for $14, $13, it's a no risk. It's a no risk buy. Absolutely. And I'm very pleased with it, you guys. I really love it. It's cute. It's retro. It's shaped just like, you know, a retro cappuccino machine. It has the hourglass shape. And, you know, to me that says coffee. So they did a really good job on trying to keep the spirit of coffee in every aspect of this little convenient manual coffee press. So this is an excellent MyJo single cup coffee maker, and I hope you guys give it a try. Blessed be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy New Moon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, if you're looking for more, go ahead and click the image in the center. That'll take you to all my playlists, and you can find me on my social media in the description below.